Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I'll be doing an unboxing of gold and silver which I got from Apmex. So without further waiting, let's start the video. Let's see what we have here. I waited a long time for this order. It took 3 business days. And when you have gold incoming, you know how it is. Alright, so let's open this box. It's just an empty tube that I ordered for my silver coins. Okay, so we have the 10-gram Geiger silver bar. I didn't plan to order them, I just went online on Apmex and they look pretty sick, so that's why I got a bunch of them. Let's see what else we have. One more Geiger 10-gram bar, both silver. It's a beautiful piece. And the best part, it comes in a box, so you don't need a capsule or a tube for it. One more 10-gram. I have a bunch of stuff, so let's see. The third 10-gram Geiger bar. So we have a 1-gram Britannia gold bar from the Royal Mint. Looks really good. Alright, let's keep that on the side. Okay, we have a 20-gram Geiger silver bar. That looks so good. Perfect. Unboxing gold and silver is my favorite thing. Okay, so we have some gold here. This is a 5-gram Geiger bar. Yeah, no, I ordered a lot of Geiger stuff. Didn't plan on it, but yeah, after going through the Apmex website for 2 days, this is what I came up with. Okay, over here we have something. We will unbox it at the end. Okay, that's all for box number 1. Box number 2. Let's rip this open. Okay, let's see what we got. These packets are glued to the box, so when you pull them off, they tear up. Okay, let's see what we got. Just some airtight capsules for my gold coins. I ordered a few gold coins. So yeah, 2 of the airtight capsules. I have 1 capsule for my gold bar. Okay. So we have here a 20-gram GEIGER silver bar. Same as before. Just keep on watching, the good stuff will come too. Holy shit, 1 more 20-gram GEIGER bar, silver. One more 20-gram GEIGER silver bar. Keep on watching, it's worth the wait. Trust me. 1 more 20-gram GEIGER silver bar. And I promise this is the last one. There's no more silver, I think. So we have 4 20-gram GEIGER silver bars. Here we have the 2-ounce silver coin from, that's the Queen Beast from the Royal Mint. It's a very beautiful coin. And this is a 2-ounce coin. Face value 5 pounds. Alright, let's keep this to the side. Oh yeah, what we've all been waiting for. So we have the 1-ounce gold buffalo from the United States Mint. This is my favorite gold coin, to be honest. This is a 2022. Love this coin. Alright, let's see what else we have. Okay, now we have the 1-ounce gold KANGAROO from the PERTH Mint, Australia. Yeah, told you it's worth the wait, right? This is the pocket we've all been waiting for. I love the matte finish that PERTH Mint has, both on the bars and the coins. They just look different. Alright, let's see what else. Okay, so we have a 10-gram Lady Fortuna from PAMP SUISSE. So this comes with a very scan barcode, so you can scan it and you can verify that it's a genuine product. Okay, 1 more PERTH Mint. This is the 2022 Dragon Coin Bar. This one has a huge premium on it. I got a good deal, but if you go and buy this, you're gonna pay like $300 or $400 premium on this. Now, what we have. Okay, now my favorite thing. we have the 50-gram PERTH minted bar. Before buying this, just make sure this is the most fake bar. So buy it from a reputable dealer that you know. And that's all for today. If you like my video, like and subscribe, show your support, and I'll bring you more videos. Thank you. Have a good day. Peace.